pound USD, we start with the daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, still we are within this move, and as we know, we are more interested in the down move if we get at least similar to what we have here. Okay, but the only thing is the how high this one can go. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trades that are based on daily chart. The only thing is we need to know when this one can finish and when we can expect the down move. If we get, we are more interested because it can give us a really good trade. Okay. In this case, we move to lower time frame forward chart. All right. Based on forward chart, as we can see, I mean, the way the market is moving is like in terms of the corrective. The only thing is based on, I mean, for the pound USD, we are more interested in the sell than rather than buy. That means if we get any sell setup, we try to focus on the sell. In case based on, as I showed, based on daily chart, we get the sharp move, and when this correction is finished, okay, if the correction is finished. Anyway, based on forward chart, we want to see how we can trade it. If we put our trend line here, okay, any breakout of this trend line, if the price break this trend line, give a correction, we will be more interested in the sell. And rather than that, if we have two ways we can look for sell. First, the best thing is let the price break this top. Every time you can see the price breaking the top. Then from there, any sell we can take it. The another one, if the price break this trend line, any correction we can look for sell at least to another trend line. We don't say here, maybe we say the price break this low. Why? Because we want to have this correction. May we get what we have here, we get one more, we get one move down, we will have this correction. Okay, that's mean if there is a possibility the price can break the top, any sell from there, we will be more interested. In that case, we will put this move in relative to this for the bigger correction when we are looking only on this correction. Okay, and if the prices start to drop from here, break out this trend line without taking this high, then any correction from there, we need to get the correction at least a small flag. Then from there we can sell it, and when the price come to this level, we start to manage, and the second level will be here. Okay, anyway, for the pound, mostly we are more focused on the sell rather than the buy. Okay, in this case, if I move to lower time frame, again, based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we need to focus on this. Okay, if the price for the next week, if the price, we have this for the next move up, if the price come to this top or break this high, any sell from there we take it. That means our sell will be this. And if when the market open, the price continue, and if they break this trend line, we need to get the correction before look for sell. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we are more interested in the sell. Okay, and in this case for the next week, any sell we get, we can look for sell, and buy. It doesn't mean we don't need to look for buy. We can look for buy. Okay, and any buy will be short-term buy. For me, if I want to look for buy when the price come to this trend line, then if I see any buy for the short term, I take it. All right, but buying within here, I don't think it doesn't mean we cannot get the buy setup. I mean, buy trade we can get, but it depends whether we can get a really good trade or not. Okay, anyway, based on higher time frame, I'm more interested in this as I explained, and I will just focus on the sell. But as I say, if I want to look for sell, every time the price break the top, any sell setup from the top I will take the sell. In terms of the risk and reward, can give me a good trade, and if it is the start of the down move, also it is better for me. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update or any changes for the next week, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.